Hello everyone. Today we are going to find the resultant vector using the component method. This is our vector right here, and if we are going to graph that in our Cartesian plane, this is how it's going to look like. For our letter A, we have 59 degrees north of west. North of west is here, and that's 59 degrees, so that's your A. For your letter B, we have 10 degrees south of east. South of east is right here, so that's 10 degrees. For letter C, that's 12 degrees south of west. That's 12 degrees south of west. That's your letter C. After that, we are going to tabulate. Now, first we have the magnitude. The magnitude is already given right here. That's 25 Newton, 9 Newton, and 18 Newton right here. For your theta, that is going to be based from here. So we are always going to start here. So that's 90 plus 90, that's 180 degrees. We are going to subtract that with 59. That is why we have 121 degrees. Now, for our letter B, that's a full circle because we cannot just shortcut here. That's 180 plus another 90, that's 270, plus another 90, which is 360. 360 minus 10, that is 350 degrees. For letter C, that is 180 plus 12 degrees. That is why we have 192 degrees. Now, to find our x component, we have to multiply the m cosine theta. So here, our m or magnitude is 25. 25 cosine 121. That's negative 12.88 right there. And you're going to do that for the rest. That is why we have 8.86. That's 9 cosine 350 degrees. We have 8. That's 8.86. For 18 cosine 192, that's negative 17.61. After that, we are going to add the 3, which is why we have negative 21.63. For our y component, we are going to multiply the magnitude, the m sine theta. That is 25 sine the theta 121, 21.43 right there. And you're also going to do that for the rest, and you're also going to add everything, which is why we have 16.13, and that will be your A and your B. Now we are going to find your resultant. The formula for your resultant is the square root of a squared plus b squared. This is your A and this is your B, which is why we have the square root of negative 21.63 squared plus 16.13 squared. We have the square root of 728.03, and your final resultant will be 26.98 Newton. Newton because that's the one that's given. So now we are going to find our tan theta. That is opposite over adjacent, or y over x. This is your y and this is your x. This is why 16.13 over negative 21.63, we have negative 0.75. Now we will have to inverse that. So we will use multiply tan negative 1 multiplied to negative 0.75, that is negative 36.71, and we can have a negative answer, so we will just cancel that, and the final answer will be 36.71. Now the final answer will be 26.98 Newton, 36.71 degrees north of west. That is all, and thank you for watching.